Established on June 29, 1969 with the passage of Republic Act 5521, Bicol University is the top state university in the Bicol region. Its core values are scholarship, leadership, character, and service.
CBEM stands for College of Business, Economics, and Management. CBEM offers BSA and BSBA programs, so tara, sumama ka na as we go beyond the best.
Hi, I'm Joy, and I'm proud to be a student of Bicol University, the premier state university here in Bicol region. Since its establishment in 1969, Bicol University has been a hub of quality education, research, and service. It offers diverse programs from business and engineering, health sciences, agriculture, and more. No matter your passion, BU has a place for you. We also have great facilities to help you learn. Bicol University has 7 campuses, namely BU Legazpi West, or the BU Main, BU Legazpi East, BU Daraga, BU Tabaco, BU Gubat, BU Ginubatan, and BU Pulangi. Each campus offers a variety of programs and resources that cater to our unique interests and career goal. At BU, we're not just students, we're part of a vibrant community that supports each other in our journey towards success.
Bicol University isn't just a school, it's a place where dreams are made, where we discover who we are and what we're capable of.
Welcome to the College of Business, Economics, and Management. Here, we don't just learn, we also lead, innovate, and create opportunities. CBEM provides programs in business administration, accountancy, economics, and entrepreneurship. This program educates us about the dynamic world of business through hands-on learning and real-world experiences. At CBEM, brilliance and innovation flourish. It's more than just academics. It's a place where we can learn, interact, and make a difference. When it comes to being the best, it starts here at CBEM.
I chose BSBA management because I've always been interested in how businesses operate and how things are organized to run smoothly. I like the idea of being able to lead teams, make decisions, and solve problems that can improve efficiency and success. This course would also give me a lot of career options in the future, whether I want to manage a business, start my own, or work in a leadership role in any industry. It felt like a solid foundation for whatever path I decide to take later on.
Being a student here has been a mix of laughs, hard work, and plenty of I can't believe I'm doing these moments. From joining orgs to attending seminars, some I got, some not so much. Every day is an adventure. I've met amazing people with our classmates, teachers, and random campus encounters. In the events, I tell you, always a blast. From quiz bees and team buildings to the most awaited and annually celebrated Bicol Hataw or Bicol University Olympics. At Bicol University, we're shaping the next generation of leaders, entrepreneurs, and innovators. Develop critical skills in leadership, problem solving, and strategic thinking skills that will set us apart in the competitive world of business management. And after a long, tiring day of class, we wait at the jeepney stop hoping to catch the last ride at home. No matter how much time you spend waiting, you know you'll make it because somehow, the jeepney always shows up when you need it the most.
Every morning, I remind myself of what I'm working for. Each goal is a step closer to my dreams. Success doesn't happen overnight. It's built during late-night study sessions, quiet moments in the library, and staying focused when it's tempting to quit. I wouldn't be where I am without the people who believe in me. They remind me that growth isn't just academic. It's about building relationships and staying grounded. One step at a time, I'm getting closer.
So, if you're ready to take the next step on your journey, choose Bicol University. And we are BSBA Management 2B, and we are proud to say we are BUeños.